How to use a gift card on Amazon. In order to use a gift card on Amazon, you can use the Amazon app or you can also go to amazon.com from your browser. Make sure that you log into your Amazon account and then hover your mouse over the account and list and your name at the top right hand side. From there, simply go to the option that says account. Once you go to the account option there, you'll find the option called gift cards. So first we have to redeem our gift card in order to use them. Click on the gift cards button there. And here you can see the option called redeem a gift card. Now it will also show you your current gift card balance and you can redeem it by clicking the redeem button. Just enter your gift card code that you should be able to find here without the dashes or anything. Then click on apply to your balance. So if it is a $50 Amazon gift card, $50 will be added to your Amazon gift card balance. And how you can use them is you can actually use them during the checkout process by simply going to the cart icon from the top right hand side, then simply proceeding to the checkout tab. And when you go to the checkout tab, you should be able to simply select under paying with. You can select use a gift card, voucher, or promo code. So click on it. And then after that, you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter your gift card code. Click on apply, or it will also show you a gift card balance, and you can use that on your Amazon. This way, you should be able to go ahead and then basically use an Amazon gift card. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.